Hello everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to create an engaging and professional-looking Facebook Reel using Canva. Canva is a fantastic site for anyone who wants to design or edit videos for social media without any prior skills. After creating your account, this is the interface you'll see. You need to go to the search bar and type in Facebook Reel. If you'd like other designs, you can search for them as well, and you'll find plenty of options. For now, these are pro templates, but don't worry, you have plenty of other options too. If you want more to choose from, just click on Show More. There are hundreds of free versions available, so just pick one you like. This one looks good, and it's free too. I will customize it, and after customizing, you're able to change anything you want. For example, if you want to change the text, just click on the text and double-click on it, and you can add or remove whatever you like. If you want to undo, there's an option for undo and redo. So yeah, happiness. And if you want to change the video or background, you can simply upload it from your computer as well. Or if you want to choose from the library, go to Elements and just type your query, and go to the videos or photos as you wish. I'll look for free versions. Maybe this one looks good. And just drag and reposition it by double-clicking it. And in this way, you can play around as you like. You can also add music from the music library by going to the apps, where you'll find an audio option, and you can choose and add free audio as well. In this way, you can easily create an amazing, professional-looking reel and upload it to your social media. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.